The 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat is a car that exemplifies the spirit of American muscle, blending retro design with modern performance and technology. This revival of the iconic 1957 DeSoto Adventurer has been one of the most anticipated and talked about cars of recent years, capturing the attention of enthusiasts, collectors, and car lovers worldwide. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the history of the DeSoto Adventurer, the connection to the Hellcat moniker, the design choices, and the groundbreaking features of the 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat, all while looking at how it pays homage to its legendary roots. To begin, we need to talk about the original 1957 DeSoto Adventurer. The Adventurer was a model produced by Chrysler's DeSoto division, which was one of the leading automakers in the United States during the mid-20th century. DeSoto was known for creating vehicles that were innovative, stylish, and capable of competing with the likes of Cadillac, Buick, and other luxury brands. The 1957 DeSoto Adventurer was no exception. It featured bold styling and powerful engines, establishing itself as a performance icon in its own right. Back in 1957, the Adventurer was equipped with a Hemi V8 engine, a high-performance powerplant that delivered impressive horsepower and torque. This made it one of the fastest and most exciting cars on the road, a true muscle car for its time. But, as the years went by, the DeSoto brand started to fade. By the mid-1960s, DeSoto was discontinued, and its cars became increasingly rare. Still, the legacy of the DeSoto Adventurer remained alive among collectors and car enthusiasts who admired the bold design and powerful performance of these vintage vehicles. Fast forward to the 2020s, and the DeSoto brand is being resurrected with a twist, combining retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology and the iconic Hellcat name. Now, let's talk about the Hellcat. The Hellcat moniker was introduced by Dodge, another Chrysler brand, and became synonymous with performance and power. First seen in the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, the Hellcat engine was a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 that produced a jaw-dropping 707 horsepower. The Hellcat engine quickly became a symbol of muscle car dominance, offering drivers an unparalleled driving experience that blended incredible acceleration, top speed, and an unmistakable engine note that sent chills down the spine. It wasn't just about raw power, it was about creating a visceral, emotional connection with the car. Since then, the Hellcat engine has appeared in various Dodge models, including the Charger, Durango, and even the Jeep Grand Cherokee. But what does the Hellcat engine have to do with the DeSoto Adventurer? Well, the 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat is a reinvention of the original 1957 Adventurer, with modern powertrains, technology, and luxury features. It blends the past with the present in an exciting way, while maintaining the heart and soul of the original DeSoto Adventurer. This new car features the Hellcat-powered engine that has become synonymous with Dodge's muscle car lineup, giving it an absurd amount of horsepower and performance. Now, let's talk about driving the 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat. Behind the wheel, you're greeted with an experience that's both exhilarating and comfortable. The combination of a powerful engine, precise handling, and a luxurious interior makes this car a true joy to drive. The Hellcat V8 delivers an unmistakable roar, and the acceleration is downright addictive. You'll feel the power surge as you press the accelerator, and the car effortlessly tears through the gears, propelling you forward with force. Whether you're tackling twisty backroads or straight highways, the DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat excels in every situation. The suspension system is finely tuned to balance comfort and performance. Even though this car is designed for speed, it doesn't sacrifice ride quality. The cabin is well insulated from road noise, and the seats provide ample support for long drives. You'll feel the road beneath you, but it's never harsh or uncomfortable. This is a car that can take on both the racetrack and the open road with equal grace and poise. The driving experience is further enhanced by the advanced technology on board. The car's adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions, and the performance modes allow you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Whether you're in the mood for a relaxed cruise or want to unleash the full potential of the Hellcat engine, the DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat adapts to your driving style. The 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat is more than just a car, it's a tribute to a bygone era, a celebration of American muscle, and a bold step into the future. It brings together the best of both worlds, the timeless appeal of the original DeSoto Adventurer and the cutting-edge performance and technology of today. Whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates beautiful, fast cars, the DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat is a vehicle that demands respect. As we look forward to the release of this incredible car, it's clear that the legacy of the DeSoto Adventurer lives on, stronger than ever. It's a vehicle that embodies the spirit of American automotive engineering and showcases the power, style, and innovation that we've come to expect from the best in the industry. That's it for today's video on the 2026 DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into what promises to be one of the most exciting cars of the next decade. If you're as excited as we are about the DeSoto Adventurer Hellcat, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more car content, and leave a comment telling us what you think about this exciting revival of an automotive classic. Thanks for watching.